Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Linux Mint 22. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website and download. It is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then again click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.7 LTS version. Select it. Then select the operating system. See, we don't have the Linux Mint. Okay. Open terminal. more/etc os-release. See, I am on Linux Mint 22. And its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is like Ubuntu 24.04. So select operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version Ubuntu 24.04 because its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Okay, see, if you are unable to find the version here, you can click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Scroll down. See, once you selected the above options, it populated the list of the Debian packages. We have to download them and install. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. Then click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this tar file and we will install MySQL Server 8.4.7. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal. Then go to downloads directory. ls. See, here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.7 tar file. We have to untar it tar-except then MySQL. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. See, here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. But before installing them, Ctrl L to click screen. Before installing them, install following packages: sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8 libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. See, both are already installed. Okay, Ctrl A, ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.4.7. Now we have to set the password. Confirm the same. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server service. Sudo Ctrl L, sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is installed and it is enabled. If it is not started, just replace this status with start. Then we can start. Okay. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.4.7. You can also verify the version by running the command. Sorry, we have to give the version. Select. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, we have created successfully. Verify now. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify tables in this database. It will be empty. See, empty set because this is the fresh database. Okay. Now create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter and verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u, new user name is David-p. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is our password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.4.7 on Linux Mint operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead. 5 seconds ago. We took it. We can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. Okay. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. You to quit Ctrl A. Until now, we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBR on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay. So we have successfully installed MySQL server. So ls, these files are not required anymore. So remove them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file, remove it, rm MySQL ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.7 LTS version on Linux Mint 22 operating system. Okay. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.